Welcome, grade 8s, to No More Hard Maths. Right now in South Africa, many learners in grade 7, 8, and 9 are struggling with maths, and there is a big gap between these grades. These years are very important because they prepare you for grade 10, 11, and 12. If we do not fix these gaps early, many learners end up dropping maths later on. That's why I want to focus on helping grade 7s to 9 understand the topics that are often confusing. Today, we're going to talk about something very important where we use algebraic expressions and equations in real life and why we need them. So, why do we use algebraic expressions and equations in real life? We have an example here, and it is a money example. Imagine you buy some apples. Each apple costs 3 rand. But today we don't know how many apples you are buying, so we use a letter to represent the number of apples. Let's call the number of apples X. Okay, and then this is what we have. Number of apples, and then 3 rand would be cost of one apple. Cost of one apple. The total cost will be 3 rand multiplied by the number of apples, correct? So we write the algebraic expression. This is the algebraic expression. If you went through the previous video, you'll know that an algebraic expression does not have an equal sign. And the expression here will be 3x. This expression means 3, it means 3 rand times the number of apples. Now imagine the shopkeeper tells you that the total cost is 15 rand. Now we can write an equation to find how many apples you bought. We will write 3x is equals to 15. This is an equation because we are saying that the left side is equals to the right side. Now we solve it to find x. X is equals to 15 divided by 3. Remember, when we take a letter to the other side of the equation, we change the sign. So because this is a times 3, we take it that side, it's now a divide 3. And then x, 15 divided by 3 will be 5. X equals 5. That means you bought 5 apples. So if you take the 5 and you put it here into the x, it will give you 15. 3 times 5 is equals to 15. If you had moved this 3 to the side with a times, it would definitely give you a different answer. And remember, the equation means the left side is equals to the right side. Now, where else do we use algebraic expressions and equations? We use algebraic expressions and equations in many places in real life. We would use it in time to determine time. If you travel for X hours, if you travel for X hours at 60 kilometers per hour, all right, 60 kilometers per hour. The distance is, in this case, what's the algebraic expression? The distance is 60x. Another example where we use algebraic expressions is phone data and airtime. phone data and airtime. If 1 gigabyte costs 20 rand and you buy X gigabytes, the cost is you buy X gigabytes. How much is the cost? The cost will be 20x. That's the algebraic expression. And then we also use it in transport. If a taxi charges a fixed fee plus 5 rand per kilometer, we can use an equation to calculate the total cost. Right? So if it's a fixed fee plus 5 rand, we can use an equation to calculate the total cost. So so what will be the algebraic expression? It will be x plus 5. Now, in conclusion, algebraic expressions help us describe situations using numbers and letters. And equations help us find numbers we do not know yet. That is why algebra is very important. It helps us solve problems about money, time, transport, and many other things in real life. If you are struggling to understand algebra or any maths topic, please reach out. The number is in our bio. We do give services on WhatsApp and affordable services at that per maths topic that you are struggling with, and we will tackle your struggles together. Follow for more grade 7 to 9 maths explained simply. Thank you, grade 8. Enjoy maths.